Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony. So in this video, I'm going to help you to take some of the guesswork out of ordering auto parts online. But before I do that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get rolling. So I get asked all the time, how do I correctly order auto parts online? How do I tell what is left side and what is the right side? So they used to make this a little bit easier. Before they used to stamp the taillights with an L or an R for right. So you can kind of easily tell by the taillight which is the left side, which is the right side. Headlights can kind of be tricky too. Which side do I order? How do I know what's left, what's the right? Is the right side as if I'm facing the car, or if I'm actually sitting inside driving down the street? Alright, the secret's out, so here's the deal. If you have to order side-specific parts of your car, it's always as if you were sitting in the driver's seat. So the left would be the left and the right would be the right. So it's always as if you're sitting in this driver's seat, if you were driving down the road. So anything you may need to order as a replacement part, if you're not sure if it's a left or a right, just remember that. It's always as if you're in the driver's seated position behind the wheel, and that'll take the guesswork out of it for you. So I hope this helps you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.